Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Hope you are all well. I'm fine too by the grace of Allah. Welcome to my video once again. I'm Abul Asad and today I'm going to discuss about character. So my today's topic is character. Dear viewers, we often hear that character is the crown of a person. We also hear that character is the invaluable resource of the human life. So we can say that no other things in the world is so important as character. Dear viewers, character is a broad semantic term. Verbally, character means features, qualities, mental and moral, nature, etc. According to Oxford Dictionary, character is all the qualities and features make a person, a group of people and place different from others. In Cambridge Dictionary, it is defined like this, that all the mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual. So, dear viewers, we can say that character is a combination of all kinds of mental and moral values. Dear viewers, actually, character is a coordination of some good virtues, great virtues like truthfulness, forgiveness, kindness, politeness, righteousness, generosity, honesty, integrity, morality, discipline, responsibility, etc. Dear viewers, a man of character is appreciated in the society. He is respected by everyone. He has a very good humanity and sincerity. He or she doesn't involve him or herself in any immoral or obscene jobs. Because of character helps a person to improve his mental and moral values and humanity. Dear viewers, all the religions of the world has highly appreciated and given us the direction about character. Rasulullah said in a hadith, "Inna min khiyarikum ahsanukum khuluqan." Certainly in you, among you, he is the best, whose character is best. In another hadith, he said that akmalul mu'minina imanan wa ahsanuhum khuluqan. He is the best, he is the full mu'min whose character is best. So, dear viewers, we can understand character is so important. Dear viewers, on the other hand, a characterless person is not appreciated in the society. He is not respected by everyone, and he creates misdeeds, unjust and quarrelsome in the society. He is obscene himself, and he spreads it in the society. So he is hated by everyone. Dear viewers, it is said that money is lost, nothing is lost. Body is lost, something is lost. But character is lost, everything is lost. So we must be careful about our character. Dear viewers, we may have much money, much property, huge property, and very good academic qualification, name, fame. But if we have not character, everything will be worthless. So we must be careful about it. Dear viewers, let's see in our country, the condition of our country. At present, in our country, due to lack of mental and moral values, after all, religious values, misdeeds, unjust, obscenity are increasing day by day. So, dear viewers, we all have to be careful about our characters. Dear viewers, that's all about today. That's all about character. See you next time, inshallah, and pray for me. And if you have any suggestions, please write in comment box. Till then, be good, be safe, and don't forget to be a man of character. Assalamu alaikum.